Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the full cut crease eye makeup. And with the help of taping, I am applying the blue color of eyeshadow from the palette of Pretty All Set UCANBE, and with the help of flat applicator applying it over the crease line as you can see in the video. Now taking the smudge brush, giving more depth to the color. With the help of blending brush, again giving more depthness to the color. Now using the purple color, the brinjal color, and applying it with the help of blending brush over the crease line. Blending the color till get the natural effect. Always use your brushes in circular movement or in back forth movement. Hold your brushes as far as you can. Now using the pink color and with the help of smudge brush, applied it to the inner corner of the eye. Now with the help of fine liner brush, draw the cut in a way as you see in the video. Again, I need more darker in the outer edges. Now draw the cut with the help of fine liner brush. Giving the finishing. Using the concealer brush and filling all the gaps. The concealer brush I am using from the brand Pro Art, and the concealer I am using from the brand Forever 52 with shade number C0V001. Now locking the concealer with the help of transition shade. Now with the help of smudge brush, applying the darkest brown color to the lash line with the help of smudge brush, giving the liner effect. Now using the brown color and blending the black one. Applying the glitter, pressed glitter from the eyeshadow palette. So here is the glitter using from the palette. It's a pressed glitter with the help of smudging brush. As you can see, now using the liner brush, applying the fine liner. Now here is the look after lash application, removing the taping. You can see after applying the gel liner to the lower lash line, going to do the smudging, under eye smudging with the help of smudge brush. And the color I have taken, that is the darkest brown color. You can see the lashes I have used from the brand Bombay Vanity with the number H22, and with the help of smudge brush smudging it. Applying the mascara to the lower lashes of the eye. Mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal. So here is the final look. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial.